You can kiss me on a cool day, a hot day, a wet day, whichever one you choose. Or try to kiss me on a grey day, a May day, a pay day, and see if I refuse. Or you can make it on a bleak day, a freak day, a weekday. Why you be my guest? But never, never on a Sunday, a Sunday, a Sunday, 'cause that's my day of rest.
What title is that?
Hmm?
What title is that song?
Never on a Sunday.
Ah, Never on a Sunday.
Come any day, and you'll be my guest. Any day you say, but my day of rest. Just name the day that you like the best. Only stay away from my day of rest. Oh, you can kiss me on a Monday, a Monday, a Monday, very, very good. Or kiss me on a Tuesday, a Tuesday, a Tuesday, and I wish you would. Or kiss me on a Wednesday, a Thursday, a Friday, a Saturday is best. But never ever on a Sunday, a Sunday, a Sunday, 'cause that's my day of rest. Here it says Petula Clark, but I remember Connie Francis singing it also. Do, 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 do. How many days and you be my guest any day or two, but my day of rest. If he brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Si te quiere de verdad y te da felicidad, te deseo lo más bueno para los dos. Pero si ese
The time is already
a mí me
4:15.
de hablar y estaré con Dios cuando triste está. See, I also know Spanish.
Down now to prepare myself for the premiere at
Yeah, no
6.
problem. You can take off anytime you want. But see, I also know Spanish.
Yeah.
Estaré con Dios cuando triste está. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side to drive away every teardrop that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you. And I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Yesterday, con Dio cuando triste está. Mm, tururu, tururu. Do 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 do.